This is the second method that we can use. So, arrange from smallest to biggest. So, arrange these dissimilar fractions. They are dissimilar because they have different denominators. The first step on the second method is find the greatest common multiple of their denominators. When we say denominators, we mean yung nasa baba ng bawat fraction, which is 3, 4, and 6. That's why I wrote them here. So we need to find the greatest common multiple. When we are trying to find the greatest common multiple, we list all of the multiples of each number until merong magkakaparehas. For example, 3, let's start with multiples of 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. Let's check 4 if meron siyang kaparehas sa 3. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. May parehas na siya. May 12 dito, may 12 din. See? Multiples of 4. How about 6? 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Meron din siyang 12 as multiple of 6. So, all of these numbers, their greatest common multiple is 12. Now, how do we compare this? We turn them into convert them or find their equivalent fraction. First fraction is 2/3. So, kailangan yung new fraction, kailangan yung denominator niya or equivalent fraction niya ay may denominator na 12. So, find the missing number, yung ginawa natin kanina. 12 times 2, 24 divided by 3 times 2, tapos divided by 3. 12 times 2, 24 divided by 3, that will be 8. Next, 1/4. 1/4 here. Let's find the equivalent fraction ng 1/4 na yung denominator is 12. So, let's find the missing number here. Ang gagawin, 12 times 1. 12 times 1 is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, 12 siya. Next fraction, 5/6. Let's write 5/6. Let's find the equivalent fraction kung saan denominator niya ay 12. Ito medyo malaking number to. So, 5 times 12. 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So, 0, carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 60. What is, so 60 ito, divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Kasi when you multiply 6 and 10, you get 60. Now, sinong pinakamas malaki? Ang numerator, si 10/12. And that is equivalent to 5/6. So, siya ang biggest. Kasi yung equivalent fraction niya may biggest numerator. Second biggest numerator is 8/12. Ang equivalent fraction niya ay 2/3. So, siya ang second biggest. At yung smallest numerator is 3/12. Ang equivalent niya is 1/4. So, smallest si 1/4. So, this should be the correct answer.